Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, and this is the Fancy Francis channel. So in this video, I am going to be talking about groups of people you can target with your Facebook ads, the group of people you can target that will help you get more sales, okay? So you always want to, when you target these specific groups with your Facebook ads, you will see more sales, okay? And so number one is people who are current customers. So you want to make sure that you are uploading your email list for all your people who are your current customers and have already shopped before. They will be more likely to be your returning customers if they like their experience. Number two, people already on your list. So if they have come to your website, join your email list some kind of way, and if they have not bought, then you can re-add them to your targeting ads to remind them about you. You always want to make sure you remind people about you when you're doing email marketing. You don't want to just jump in the inbox and people don't know where you're from. Okay, also people who have engaged with you. So Facebook allows you to run targeted ads to people who have engaged with you on your social media platform. So that is a good feature to use. Make sure you funnel your ads. Don't just pop out there with "come shop with me." Remind people how they know you first. Get them used to you, warm them up, Don't just jump out there trying to sell. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work well. People don't like to be sold to like that. So also, number four, people who have visited your website or blog. So 90 days out is a good number. So people who have visited your website or your page within 90 days, go ahead on and run retargeted ads to them. Remind them who you are, where you're from, how they first got to know you, and run an ad to them. Number five, people who are currently fans of your page. So you have to run ads to people who are fans of your Facebook page, because Facebook, on your Facebook page, your Facebook fan page, like the ones that everybody go like and stuff, they do not show your post to them like that anymore. They used to, but now due to the algorithm change, they do not. So they are making people buy ads. So just because you have 2,000 people on your Facebook fans page, when you post, majority of those people do not see you. So you have to run ads to them. And just, remind them you like their page already, and who you are and your sales pitch. I do have a video on how to make a sales pitch coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. This video was very short and quick. So if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you learned, what you might know about this subject. Any other questions you have about Facebook ads, please comment down below. If you would like me to do a actual full-on building a Facebook ad campaign, if you want me to do like a screen record where I go like step by step how to do it. People charge a lot of money for that, but I am willing to do it for free. I took a very long class about that. But I'm willing to teach you guys for free. If that would be something that you all would be interested in, just comment down below or give this a thumbs up. Please share my video with others that you think it might help. Nobody really wants to help the new kids on the block when starting a business. I know this is information I can't ask nobody where I'm at. That's gonna, tell me, so I don't even try it. So I hope it helps. If you have any other video suggestions, please let me know. Thank you, and I'll have all of my targeting videos, my last video, everything linked down below and linked in the end card, so make sure you use those features. And see you guys in the next video.